Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned to the end of this video for a funny blooper, and hopefully you like the video. Check it out.
.22x12 FUEL Mavericks. All the suspension components were powder coated a gorgeous deep purple before we installed them on the truck. We wrapped these wheels around a beautiful new set of 35, 12, 50, 22-inch tires to make this beast look tough. Sporting a set of brand new WeatherTech floor mats in this Denali.
Guys, what's up? It's Mark. And you know what? It's in the middle of, or the beginning of August, and I have an early Christmas present. He's gonna beep, watch, I guarantee he's gonna beep. Well, he's doing his exhaust, because that's a buddy of mine. Anyways. Nolan, what's up, buddy? Hey, how's it going? We're shooting a video. Thanks for revving your diesel. 6.7 right past us. Sounds great, man. I'm shooting my video, so this is my time to shine. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. This is a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. With that said, oh my God. Just rev it up, buddy. Rev it up. There you go. So, early Christmas present, guys, okay? Listen, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, because with that said, with all my viewers and all help, you get free stuff. So whoever buys this truck right here gets a free set, brand new, of WeatherTech floor mats, guys. Brand new. We're gonna throw them in here and show you the truck real quick. So with that said, let's throw them in and show you guys the truck. So take this out, hopefully it doesn't blow around. Look at this, ready? You guys watching? That's the driver's side. Passenger side. All right, watch how nice these are. Brand new, just out of the factory. Smells like straight WeatherTech. Look how clean the inside is before I go, guys. All right, let's move back. Ready? Here we go. Moving quick today. Look at that. Look at the. It's something about just having everything inside the top of the line truck. WeatherTech, Denali, everything matches up. So let me explain to you guys this truck real quick. Ready? So WeatherTech's in here. Let's move forward with the video. So 2014 GMC Sierra. Follow me. Stay tuned to me. Quick. 1500 Denali. Okay. 4x4. 7 to 9 inch McGaughys lift kit. Wrapped or sporting a set of 22x12 FUEL Mavericks. Chrome face, black barrel. I know you liked in the beginning of the video how you saw that sucker rolling. It looked primo, looks sick. Let me throw this in here real quick. But first, look. This will show you how not cheap I am. This is the old WeatherTech, okay? I don't like it. Have to have brand new shit inside this gorgeous truck. Ready? Oh my God, look at that. Laser fit, laser cut. It looks great. And I'm gonna put a mat down on top of it. Here, film that, let's roll with the video. All right, check it out, ready? So, all right, with that said, guys, Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. Brand new set of rubbers. These are a set of 35, 1250, 22-inch mud terrain tires. I'm gonna do a lap around the truck real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on underneath. Check it out. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys, this truck has a custom powder coated lift kit, okay? All the components of the lift kit have been powder coated a deep, deep purple. Scope this out. Come around through the front and I'll angle it really, really nice. I wanted to show these guys really cool about how nice this is. All right, real close. Let me give the guys the effect that I was looking for. Like this, guys, ready? Super, super nice. Look at that. All the components all nice, the frame's all black. Nice shocks, everything. Super, super nice truck, guys. Super, super nice truck. Everything's gorgeous on it. We're gonna show you guys the inside and I'll tell you a little bit about this truck. It's hot as hell out here, excuse my French, but wood grain. Okay, I'm wearing jeans, all right? I'm not really in the best of mood right now, but I'm gonna try to be as enthusiastic as I can about this truck. Let me show you guys what's up. Check it out inside right here. Check it out inside right here. 84,000 miles on this truck, guys. Full exhaust system, 4-wheel drive, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats, backup camera. It's a Denali. So with that said, it's everything you possibly want inside of a truck. Every single thing. Sunroof, leather seats. I mean, it practically drives itself. Lane assist, and it's just a gorgeous truck. It's got ladder bars on it. Also, the kit comes with the ladder bars. Scope that out, Noah. Tell them what's going on with that. Bling, bling. And it was just a really finely put together truck. Everything, all the best of the components, all the best of every component is on the truck. Super, super nice. It's got the slow drop tailgate. Here's a bunch of other WeatherTechs. Spray-in bed liner. Yeah, just a really nice truck. It's got a, so here's the deal with this. It's got the factory exhaust tip, right? But it's got a Flowmaster race muffler. I think it's a 40, no, not a 40 series. I don't know, 30 series or something like that muffler. Single chamber muffler. That's why it sounds so nice and loud. So let's just show you guys how it sounds. Ready? Maybe I'm not doing it right. I don't want to do that. Anyways, it's a nice truck. Sounds good. Hope you guys like the video. We'll do a walk around real quick and show you guys more what's going on in it. And you probably want to see under the hood, right? I can't even think straight right now because I'm so parched and I'm so hot. My jackass wore jeans today on a 100-degree day. So I want to show you guys what I did. Let me get out of the sun because the camera angle of the sun looks absolutely horrible. I want to show you guys the engine bay real quick and I'll show you what's going on. Come over here, check it out. Bone stock. Fresh oil change, brand new inspection, super, super clean underneath, ice cold AC. And let me show you guys what's going on a little bit under here. As I turn, I'm gonna show you, we'll go on this side because the sun's beating down real quick. So, like I was saying, it's a 7 to 9 inch McGaughys lift kit, wrapped in a set of 35, 1250, 22-inch tires on a 22 by 12-inch fuel wheel. There's a little bit of rubbing right here, tiny bit. But all we did was trim it out, barely. And right here, the lower valance is right here. Usually there's a lower valance that comes on these Denalis, metal bumper. We just took the lower valance off instead of cutting shit. Looked a lot better, gives it a higher look for the truck, makes it look a lot tougher. Plenty of clearance with the wheels and tires set up, plenty of clearance with the lift. Or plenty of, I can't even speak, can't even think straight. Plenty of clearance based on the lift accommodating the wheels and tires. There you go. So, I mean, it's just tough, looks nice. I'm gonna drive around, do some quick 90-degree turns, and you can know it will go in between each side of the front and the rear fender wheel. I'll show you guys how it doesn't rub and how perfect it is. Scope it out, ready? want to have a debate. All right, so look at that, how gorgeous it is. I know you guys are sharing my enthusiasm right now in this truck. I love the pearl white. I love the hint of the lift kit, how it's undercoated purple. Some of you may not like that. Voice your opinion in the comments if you hate it or if you love it. And I love the offset, how the wheels look against the truck, how the height is and everything. I think it all ties in really well. The debate that Noah and I were talking about that I don't like on this truck, the only thing I don't like, which I held back because he convinced me to hold back, is the rain guards on each of the windows. Right here. But he proved a good point because look, the face of the wheel is chrome. This right here on the mirror part is chrome. The door handles are chrome. The accent strip on the doors is chrome. The door bumpers, the Denali is chrome, and it ties in well. But to me, I like stuff that's flush, clean, crisp, and nice. So I wanted to take them off. Noah, explain why in like 5 seconds why you like that.
It complements the truck. Done.
All right, this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. He proved a point. He's done. I'm not done. I want to go on all day, but we're at 9 minutes, so hope you liked the video. Peace out. This is Mark signing out with the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Guys, what's up? Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Look. It's Christmas early this year. You know why? Just got you a set of weather techs. Ready? Just got you a set of weather techs. Christmas early, guys. Look. I'm so excited about this, you don't even know. Look at this. Guys, come check this out. The wrong color. All right. It's not black. It's the right color. It's the wrong color. All right, scratch that. Stop the video. Cut.